In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new project in Vercel. By the end, you will have a project deployed to a live URL, ready to share. We will start from signing in, move through connecting your code, configure a few settings, and finish with a successful deployment. First, sign into your Vercel account. If you are already logged in, you will land on the dashboard. This is where you can see your existing projects and start new ones from the dashboard. Click the Add New button and choose Project. This opens the flow to create a new deployment from your code repository, which is the most reliable way to keep your project in sync. Next, connect your Git provider. You can choose GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If this is your first time, you will be prompted to authorize Vercel. Grant the minimal access necessary and confirm the organization or repositories you want Vercel to see. This simply lets Vercel read your code and create deployments when you push changes. Once connected, import the repository you want to deploy. Use the search or list to find the correct repo. And click Import. If your project uses a specific branch, verify it here, so Vercel builds the right version. Now configure a few settings. Start with the project name. Choose something clear and recognizable. Especially if you collaborate with others. It can match your repo name, but it doesn't have to. For the framework preset, Vercel usually detects this automatically. Common frameworks like Next.js, Vite, and Nuxt are recognized out of the box. Double-check the detection. If it's not right, select the correct preset so Vercel applies the proper build and output settings for your stack. Add any required environment variables. These are the keys and values your app needs at runtime, such as API credentials. Enter them here rather than committing secrets to your codebase. If your app needs them in multiple environments, make sure to add them to the appropriate scopes, like production or preview. Keep values accurate and avoid extra spaces. When everything looks good, click Deploy. Vercel will build your application, and in about a minute, you will get a live URL. You can watch the build logs to see each step and quickly spot issues. If the build succeeds, open the URL to confirm your site is running as expected. This link is shareable and updates automatically with future deployments from your repo. That's it. Thanks for watching.